Hi, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm going to reorganise my room. So loads of my drawers are so messy and I just want to reorganise them all, so I thought I'll video it to make it more fun. These drawers are so random, so unorganised. I'm going to sort everything out and then I'm going to reorganise it into sections. I've got bags and makeup and just random drawings and just really random. I've just emptied everything out of both of them. I'm going to try and use these to split everything up so I know where everything is. So I'm going to put these little bottles into it, some lip balm. For this basket I'm going to put all these into it, so I'm going to try and fit as many as I can. This is so far, so just put everything in, and then I put this palette to the side, and then for this one I'm going to put some of these in. This drawer is now done, so I'm going to start with this one. So I'm going to put all my palettes in the bottom. And these the larger palettes that wouldn't fit into this box. And I'm going to keep my face mask in here and some wipes. In this bag I'm going to put all these in, so these different types of sprays and body lotions from cotton. So I'm just going to keep them all together. In some of these drawers I've got some face care stuff, so I'm going to put them into the other drawer because with sorting it out I've got more room now, so I'm put all these into it. I'm going to put all these face masks all together, so I'm going to leave them all here. Just took all the nose strips out of the packaging, so I'm going to save loads of space from that. So I'm just going to put them on top of here. So I'll just save quite a bit of space from just taking them out the box. I've got another 3 boxes and I think I'll be able to fit some into this as well, so I'm going to have so much more space for other stuff. The drawers are now filled and I managed to fit everything that was in these boxes into these, so I've got so much more space to put into all them.
You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up.
I'm going to try and clear all this out and try and organise them all because it's such a mess. Because I'm not using any bags right now, I'm going to put them all underneath my bed apart from this one. So I'm just going to try and clear all that out. I've just filled up this box. It's got random stuff that I'm not going to really be using all the time. And it's got some presents for my dog's birthday and then some books that I have from Ledger. So I'm just going to put that on top of my wardrobe. I'm going to put all these canvases at the side because they've been around there. I've just put all my canvases in here, so I've got loads stacked at the back and then some to the side, and then I'm just going to put all my shoes into this space. I'm going to put all my bags and college sketchbooks underneath my bed.
You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Open up, open up. Cold as ice and cold.
I've just finished my desk and now it's so much better. This is the finished look. So it's so much more tidy and like less clutter everywhere. So this is my windowsill. It's got like some photos and stuff on. My art trolley is so much more tidy because like all the stuff was coming off like this area and so it was just like overflowing. So it's so much more tidier. This was all like had like all more stuff onto it. So I've only put like 2 things on the edge, so it's like less to clutter there. In this area there was like loads of like canvases in the corner, so I just put them in my wardrobe and it's so much more tidier. For my desk area there was a record player there and then it was like a box in the middle and it was like so many more books, so I've just got rid of them, like I moved them around. And then obviously it's like sorted them drawers out before, and then at the bottom it's got like less things there because that was like full of like loads of wires and I've just put them in some drawers. So I've got like all the canvases there and then some there and then my shoes and then the box that was on my desk. Then at the top I've got like loads of like things that I need, but I like put them all away. So like all here was like all my bags which I put underneath my bed. So like got that filled up like loads of stuff that I don't need all the time, and then just like some stuff. I moved my record player over to onto these boxes, and then I've just got like loads of random stuff that I didn't know where else to put, so I just put it in these boxes. The record player used to be over there on this like ledge, but when I moved it, it seems to be like more tidy over there now. So this is the finished look of all my room. It's so much more tidy. I'm so glad that it's like less decluttered. Literally there's like so much stuff everywhere, but I feel so much more tidier. I feel like this area is so much more tidy and it feels like it's like actually quite more bigger.